3 lessons people learn about building credit too late. The first lesson is that people use their own social security number for for personal credit. They use their personal credit lines and they use their personal credit history to build their business. And what that does is it just destroys you, because when your business doesn't work, as most businesses fail, most people don't plan, most people don't really know what they're doing, they then mess their credit up. Or they do something worse. Everybody does this. They take a loan out on their house, a second mortgage or whatever, and then they put themselves into more and more debt. So don't do this first hellish problem that most people have, and that's use your own social security number. The second lesson that most people learn too late about building credit is that credit is only a tool. It is not something that you use, that a person uses. This is gonna blow your mind, but it's not something that you should use to go buy shoes, and these things of life that don't have a return. The best use of this hammer, credit, because that's all it is a tool, is to buy assets that are going to bring you in more money. That's the best use of it. If it's not an asset that's going to bring you in more money, don't spend cash. And if you don't have the cash, you need to not purchase it. That's a hard lesson in life to learn, but we all have. I've messed up on that so many times, and the first one too. And I've also messed up on the third lesson. The third lesson is simply cash flow. Credit needs cash to feed it. It's a monster. You don't need to pay off the whole thing the whole way, but you need cash flow. You need some type of steady cash flow in to pay the minimum payments or to pay off these cards, to keep them in their flow. Credit is all about flow. In fact, money is about flow. There's in and there's out. And the problem is we just do one flow. We do either out or we're just doing in, but most people normally don't have the balance of the in and out flow, the ebb and flow, the back and forth. And the only way you get cash flow is you got to have a business that brings you money in constantly. So these 3 lessons keep people in a perpetual state of financial hell, and you got to get out of it.